This is a 60-second Army Now from the Soldiers Media Center. I'm Sergeant Mike O'Brien. The Army and Fairfax County, Virginia school officials are at odds over whether the base realignment and closure initiative will overburden an already overcrowded school system. Both sides have made little progress on forging a consensus on the number and destination of incoming students expected when the military shifts 19,000 new jobs to Fort Belvoir. Early planning documents from the Army predicted the Belvoir job relocation would bring 3,200 new children, but that number was pared down to 265 last August, based on a broader analysis that included students leaving the county as part of BRAC. The outcome of the discussion will help determine whether and how much the military will pay to offset the expense of building additional schools. That's a 60-second Army Now from the Soldiers Media Center, Washington.